Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here. Something a little different. As you can tell, it's a Jensen 85 with some modifications done to it. Just got this last week from Jensen, and as you can see, there's a cord coming out the back of it. It has a 300 watt 3 amp immersion style cartridge heater in it. I had to make a brass sleeve and I soldered that inside the boiler, and the cartridge goes in that. And it has a Jensen 35 steam chest cylinder assembly right here. And it fits so snug that I didn't even use there wasn't a need for a gasket in between the two mating surfaces. It doesn't leak. It has a 3 stanchion supporting bracket with roller ball bearings in each one. As you can tell, it's got 2 flywheels and it's got a center type throw on the crank. Very powerful with the heater and the cylinder assembly. And I actually ran it last night at about the same voltage I am right now, which is 50. And got over an hour run in it. So up in the horsepower and the heater did not adversely affect it, in my opinion. We're going to crank it up to 110 here and watch it come to life. This is the third in a trio of engines I wanted to do, this being the smallest. And I'll have a future film with the other two in there as well. And this bracket is held in place by that one nut right there, just about under the axle. So I didn't have to drill any more holes in the boiler. Use the one that was already there. Alright, let's crank it up. It's pretty responsive, I found out. As soon as you turn the voltage up, she comes right to life. Alright, let's see. Here we go at 110 right now. And off she goes. Done my best to balance everything out. Haven't really come up with a name for it. My wife called it Mickey because it looks like Mickey Mouse with the big ears and face, she says. I don't know what it was called. Alright, I'm going to slow it back down now. See my rubber mat sliding a little bit. Alright. Well, I thank you for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. And there'll be another video coming up of the 2 bigger ones, including this one. Bye now.